Hello and welcome to Jobs TV. My name is Matt Cook, I'm a director of a company called Kudos Recruits, and today we have a vacancy or vacancies in our hometown here in Bridgnorth. So we've got a number of shifts, days, nights, weekends, pay rates varying from £9.75 right up to £16 depending on the shift that you decide to do. And this company is based here in Bridgnorth on the Stanmore Industrial Estate, and it's a foundry that manufactures engine blocks for various automotive companies such as Porsche, Tesla, I could go on, and they are looking for quite a number of people. So if you live close or in the Bridgnorth area and you're looking for work, please get in touch on 01746 768 666 or email me on mcook@kudosrecruits.com. Thanks very much.